Ever wondered what paradise looks like from the sky? If you're craving adventure, culture, and natural beauty all in one place, let me take you on a breathtaking drone journey over Laos, one of Southeast Asia's most underrated gems. Let's kick things off in Luang Prabang, a city that feels frozen in time. Glide above golden temples as the morning sun brushes against their rooftops. Watch the Mekong River shimmer, winding its way past colonial streets and monks in saffron robes collecting alms at dawn. There's a calm energy here, a blend of ancient spirituality and gentle daily rhythms that you can feel even from above. Next, we're off to Kuang Si Falls, one of those places that looks too perfect to be real. Picture turquoise waters spilling over limestone terraces, hidden deep in the jungle. The sound of the falls is soothing from the ground, but from the air, you see just how the water carves its way through lush forest, creating nature's masterpiece. It's the kind of spot that makes you want to jump right in, or just pause and take it all in. Now, if you crave a little thrill, Vang Vieng is where adventure and scenery collide. Hot air balloons drift lazily as mist rises from the river below. Green karst mountains tower over blue lagoons and fields. Whether you're tubing down the Nam Song or hiking the cliffs, Vang Vieng is pure freedom in every direction. Switching gears, let's explore the Plain of Jars, a place that's as mysterious as it sounds. From above, dozens of giant stone jars lie scattered across grassy fields, their origins lost to time. No one knows exactly why they're here, but flying over them, you feel the weight of history and the pull of ancient stories etched into the earth. Finally, we drift south to Si Phan Dan, the 4,000 islands. Imagine hundreds of tiny green islands floating on the glimmering Mekong, especially at sunset when the sky turns gold and boats glide across the water. Life here moves at its own gentle pace, and there's a peace that makes you never want to leave. Soaring across Laos, you see it all, from sacred cities and secret waterfalls to hidden islands you'd never find on a map. It's a rare kind of wonder, one that's best seen from above. If these views have sparked your sense of adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite spot. There's a whole world to discover. See you on the next flight.